Hello.
What up, everybody? Before we get into the game, real quick, this video has been sponsored by me. I made a card game, and I'm gonna tell you about it right now. It's called Going Up, an elevator card game. I made it with my friend Connor, and it's on Kickstarter right now. Michael just put a thing in the chat. You can get it if you want, and if you don't want to, that's okay. It'll be available for free afterwards, whether the campaign is successful or not. So thanks for listening. Now back to your regularly scheduled Tristan camera.
Yay!
Oh yeah, so this is exactly where we left off.
Yeah.
Actually.
So
Ooh,
last-
me some meat.
I'm bad at controls, but these are just fucking
Ooh.
awful.
Oh, it's the.
Oh,
It's okay.
it's kind
Good.
of
It's
has
the right
apples.
stick. God damn. You.
Get him in the eyes.
Woo!
Oh,
That whole sequence looked painful.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Oh, nice of you to show up.
wanders in the goddamn room.
This time it looks like we got our origami killer.
Proves literally nothing.
Yeah, all you
That's-
did was walk up to this guy on the street and be like, "We have some questions for you." What is with everybody just taking something out of the fridge, drinking it, and putting it back? What is with that with this game? Also, in case you didn't know what appliance you were using.
fridge.
What is happening? What
I
am
don't
I
know.
doing?
There's nothing here.
Oh,
Go.
no,
Lay in the bed.
wallpaper.
Lay in the bed. Lay in the bed.
Okay.
Lay in the bed.
I'm trying.
You're not gonna answer this.
No, we're gonna lay in the bed.
Somebody has rang the doorbell, Beau.
Not our doorbell.
What?
Yeah, I'm coming.
one.
I am coming.
Fun.
Who
Who the fuck are you?
No, it's the first lady. Remember
the-
one who
the
had the guy
prostitute.
beat the shit out of her?
Oh. Well, this is Wolf Among Us.
I just remembered something.
And drinking water was the example.
Maybe it's not important.
Vertical glasses versus
But a
horizontal
letter
glasses.
arrived in the mail the
Verticals
morning
are
Johnny
horrid.
disappeared.
A letter? What kind of letter?
Dear John.
Hey,
It's Johnny's father.
for Apple.
Johnny's
It
father.
was inside it.
Johnny
He read it and then he
Schmalker.
left.
Let's take a look at this letter. You're not allowed to open that, Shelby. But
Tristan.
Address.
The address?
okay, classy,
It
bud.
was typed with an old
You drink all the
typewriter.
water you have. Guys, just drink all the water.
Life hacks.
I don't have any.
You're the one that was like,
Come with
oh,
you.
I can't do anything for you.
Help you in your investigation?
I'm sorry, Lauren,
Oh.
but that is out of the question.
Are we partners?
She's trying to insert herself into the investigation. Yeah, but also it's like she has motivation. Shut the fuck.
She is the investigator.
All right. Ooh, what a nice house. Because there's
Come
a
and see
song
Gordy Kramer.
in it that's so bad. It's like, oh, what a nice
Son.
boy. What a good
But now I just
kiss.
have a
Like,
few
it's so
questions that need
friggin'
answers.
awkward and uncomfortable.
Hi, I'd like to see Gordy.
Gordy hasn't seen anyone. Beat it.
So, did you find Gordy?
Kinda.
Not fucking yet.
I got two goons blocking the way.
Every woman is wearing the same pair of shorts.
How are you gonna handle it, baby?
No, let's see. Let's see. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey, what are you gonna do? Knock them out with a pair of high heels? Leave it to me.
What?
Just be ready to
the
go as soon as
fuck?
they leave the stairs. Oh, what am I missing?
I'm getting secondhand perspective.
Yeah, no, this is just bad. You're wearing jeans and a shirt, honey.
There you go.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, they think she was drunk.
Good old
Excuse
G-Rams.
Oh.
Oh.
my god. Twitch, don't look for a minute. I want to keep watching.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
No.
That laugh.
Dude, he's so enthused.
I'd like to know exactly what happened to little Joseph Brown.
Beat it. You hear me? Get the hell out of here.
He's
Oh,
talking.
he's saying that.
What?
What do
Okay.
you want? A witness saw little Joseph Brown get in the back of your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw
You know, I would do the same. I'm sorry, Carter, I
know
missed
you've been
context.
arrested and interrogated until your father made a little phone call and the file was closed. I'd like to hear.
What is
Why would you
wrong
show
with your
I just offered to drive him home.
Oh, he's a pedophile.
That was 13
I'm
years,
your
12
regard
years
killer.
ago.
Or
13
warm.
Wait, what year is it?
I get my victims into my
Oh.
store.
Oh.
I drown them in rainwater.
No.
Then I dump them on a wasteland with an origami figure.
Well, that was easy.
Is that what you wanted to hear?
Poking on the chest. I do that.
And
He
TV?
clearly does not care about the
No, that is true.
What do you want more?
That man,
What-
kiss,
what
kiss,
was-
kiss, kiss.
Interview is
Like,
over. Do you know who my father
better
is?
than like
No.
vodka when you're expecting
He
water.
only has to lift one
Wouldn't
finger
know.
and you won't wake up tomorrow morning.
Do you know who my daddy is?
Even if we do believe that he's the origami killer, we're just gonna walk away? Like what? I don't...
I mean, what else can you do in that
Or-
situation?
Call the police?
Okay, no. We've already
Clearly,
established that we don't
ACAB.
call the police in this
Yeah.
game, Jamie.
It's true. Or ambulances. Let's go
And-
inside.
This
And you?
big warehouse does not look suspicious at all.
Not the slightest, no.
Only the best things happen in
delicious,
empty
actually.
warehouses.
Since we can't go through the front door,
Not harder.
let's go through
Knock.
Excuse
the side
me.
door. Oh.
Ow!
He's just
yeah,
grabbing it with his
barbed
bare
wire,
fucking
dude.
hands.
What the hell is wrong with this guy?
not
Even,
the spikes,
even
it's
it wasn't.
fine.
Even if
Oh,
it
there you
wasn't
go.
so
What did you
spiked.
Oh, now it
gonna
hurts?
happen?
Okay.
Sean!
Ooh, nice.
Crematorium.
Alright.
Oh, please tell me you're not gonna have to crawl in there. Oh,
Oh, that's
God.
100% what we're gonna
Oh,
have to do,
100%. Debatable.
What?
Oh, that's broken glass.
Glass? Yeah. That
What is
glass
this,
still.
jigsaw?
Okay, pretty much actually. Okay, first off, don't light a match.
Literally.
Glass.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Also, you're wearing a leather jacket.
Impossible to
Take it
go back.
off.
I'm gonna have to
Shuffle.
fall.
The
All I
butterfly.
have to do is follow the wind.
Is that how
Don't
matches
drop
work?
it.
I don't
Don't-
think that's
why
how
would you-
matches work.
Okay, but would wind not be, would fire not be pushed to the side if there was wind?
Bold of you to assume there's fucking wind in this tunnel.
I
There
mean,
would be a draft
obviously
if
there
there's
is.
fresh
That's
oxygen.
how we can
what
tell
I'm
what
saying.
direction to go. Oh,
Yes.
oh, poor
Oh,
baby.
What is-
slide, slide,
What is
slide.
even the purpose?
Woo!
This man
That sounds like a
clearly
him
is
problem.
not the smartest.
Like I said, we stand victim blaming in this house.
I'm glad he's wearing rubber boots, by the way.
Yeah. They do kind of look like Jolly Ranchers. Like
No, they look like
color-wise.
Christmas trees.
They do, yeah.
They're the Lego studs.
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah,
you're so
yeah.
right, actually.
When we die, do we make the Lego breaking sound?
Wouldn't that be awesome?
But they all have like the elementary school like parties, like the
Yeah.
half-inch
He like
slices.
he plugs it into his phone and it's like. All right, what's the street name?
I mean, I'm not
Something
gonna say.
something
Roosevelt?
Roosevelt.
Yeah.
Yep. You figured it out in 2 seconds, and he still has no idea.
The joke is always funnier when you say it again.
Oh, you're right.
It's
And
always
louder.
funnier when you have to
Yeah.
explain it.
Yeah,
as well,
yeah,
you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
You did all right, bud?
Oh my god.
Obvious
I need to
bitch.
disinfect your wounds.
What?
Wait, wasn't he wearing his jacket?
Yes, he was.
Yeah.
Well, if
That's a
there's,
shit jacket.
if there's one thing we've learned is that this game doesn't care when one thing is between two other things that happen.
Remember
I'm a
you.
doctor, but
How did you get in my house?
Call
Why would you
an
put your hand-
ambulance. Our movie game. Is
She didn't
only
even
s-
touch his arm
gonna
when
say-
she did that.
She cleaned a quarter of an inch.
Dude, why is she touching this
your
man
hands are
like this?
disinfected.
Why the guardian angel act? You don't even
Men
know.
can't comprehend people doing things just to do things.
I was a
Memories.
Oh my fucking
Come
god.
on, dude.
No, okay, that's kind of annoying.
Fighting with the kids on the block. You mixed up with the mafia, owe someone money, something like that.
Yeah,
That is
that's it.
not very empathetic, bitch.
Listen, I'm truly grateful for your help.
But also, who the
for
fuck
your
are you?
own sake, I think it's better if you don't ask any questions.
I
Yeah.
wasn't paying attention.
Take care.
Take care of what? I don't have a child to take care of anymore.
Or a wife.
Or a wife. Or my other child.
I've got nothing to do with that business. I never killed
Oh,
nobody.
no. Then why did you run away when they came to question you?
He has an alibi for his three murders.
Fuck, that bastard was a perfect fit.
Yeah, you know, look at the buildup.
It was a few months back, the middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 3. I asked him where he'd been. He
bitch.
spoke about drowning, the rain. He didn't make any sense.
We're clearly following.
We haven't played anyone yet. We just jump between. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm sorry, that's
That guy is doing his PT
Call the
right now.
police and make a complaint about your behavior.
Don't actually.
This dude is just throwing this doctor around.
What's up with you, Norman? Why you get cold feet?
You are punching a man.
I'll get you for this, Jaden.
What have we kissed in this
Don't
shit?
worry. I will not forget.
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems.
The police officer will remember this.
I'm sorry, who would not have psychological problems when their son dies? Why is that a negative thing?
Dinner, free to watch my friends being cute and funny. Hell yeah!
You think we're cute?
After one of our youth sessions, I found
You think we're friends?
Oh.
I'm sorry. What I said.
To sign every available man to find Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Yes. Ethan Mars.
All
is
10
the
cops.
Well. 4,
I thought they were
5.
hitting it off the building.
Thanks.
Please come in, Mr. Shelby.
Bri's here!
Perkins.
We're playing golf.
I'm assuming you didn't invite me here just to play golf, Mr. Kramer.
See, I told you it was the dad.
I hear you've been asking questions about my son.
I mean,
Don't go
sucks.
there, Mr. Shelby.
That's the thing.
Do your
Like if a baby's crying, especially if they're teething, just take your finger, dip it in some
Have a nice
whiskey,
day.
rub it
That's
on
what my parents did.
A
Just
sacrifice.
here.
You're gonna. Beau, you are absolutely gonna kill Ethan.
Oh, I'm
Look at
absolutely
that little
gonna
boy!
Hey, bud.
Blow it up,
Just drink a health potion.
I'm dying, alright. Oh.
No.
The white one on the counter.
Oh, this is where we cut off our finger. Pinky or your ring finger with one finger. Which one was
right
your finger?
bumper?
Naturally, what a natural conversation.
Go middle.
Right. I don't know.
It makes
Oh, it
more
doesn't
sense
hurt
to go
that
middle.
bad.
I need to sit down.
Girl, what are your digits?
7.
She just like chops off her.
Sean!
Okay, I'm placing that there. Okay. Who do I give these
You're sending
to?
me a text.
The extension cables.
Okay, Jamie, you drive now.
I don't know where the extension
was stressful.
cables are.
Lucky that patrol spot.
Now I have to grab
What's he
my
doing?
crochet.
Beats me.
Give myself
You're the profile, right?
option. Alright, so
Okay,
what's
hi,
her point in the story?
We
Like,
don't know.
We
Still don't know?
No.
No.
Ethan, what happened?
Dude, auto.
They're out there. I think they're here to arrest you.
Oh, actually, turn
like,
me
dude,
up just a little bit.
Look, all Madison knows about this dude is that every time she sees him, he's more hurt.
Mm-hmm.
That's
And
not
so she's like done the kind thing, which is help him, right?
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
But now, she goes out there and she sees, oh, the cops want this guy. And her response is, oh, I need to help him get away from that. Look, I appreciate the
I can
empathy,
fix
but
him.
like...
I was about
For
to
real,
say.
Your shoulder.
me carrying 80 pounds of rubber at a time.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, yes, obviously
The
Ethan would be in a lot of
copulation.
pain, but also the adrenaline. He'd probably be fine for a little bit. It's raining.
Clearly he has time to stop at his fucking
That's what I'm-
hotel room.
They would have seen them go out the window.
Yeah.
They're blind.
There's a man and a woman exiting the alley. A woman?
Obviously very
It's that girl who went in.
injured.
Guys, there were no issues. I got away from the cops. It's just that easy. Okay.
We're off
That
the
sounds like
fucking
great.
tracks.
Parkour.
The metro's gonna come as soon as they...
Get hit by the metro. Get hit by the metro.
Don't move, or I'll blow you.
I'll blow you?
What?
Did you get caught,
What
Jamie?
just happened?
Sorry.
We got caught apparently?
I don't really know how that happened.
Me neither.
Because
Push the cop in
where
front
did
of
she
the
go?
train.
Rice down my throat. Sorry.
What?
Well, she's okay.
She's undercover.
What just happened?
I think the game may have bugs, Jamie.
Hey, they bandaged my finger.
Yeah.
I know that sounds strange, but I have my reasons. But you are gonna have to help me to prove your innocence because the odds are stacked against you.
Because
Wasn't it like if
sorry?
we told him about that, then his son would instantly be marked? No.
But I can't
Did y'all catch
remember
that?
what happened.
He just
Wait,
kidnapped
so
his
he
son.
did kidnap
It
him.
is. The only way to find him
Shut
is to let me out of
That was
here.
towards the ring finger comment. Gotcha.
Kill him.
Kill him. Yeah.
Okay,
my
we're
God.
not doing this. You are such a mean dude.
Leave.
Leave?
Oh, hell yeah.
Fucking punch
Hell
that
yeah.
bitch.
Fuck that guy, dude. He is the worst.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
He just shook his ass and then pulled a gun out.
What are happening?
I thought they stopped the recording.
Wow, real mature.
Hydration.
That's what I do. That's what I do at work when I'm moderately frustrated.
Tip chairs over gently.
Yeah, tip chairs over gently. Are we doing drugs?
Are we
Yes!
Hell yeah, we
drugs, drugs.
Uh-oh. We don't have them.
Oh no, we got them.
I was about to say.
Wait, is this his
That's
house?
what a beautiful song.
Is this actually his house?
Your vodka, sir.
Oh, thank God.
Sure is.
Blake is convinced that Laurie-
Our food.
Pizza not your favorite?
I thought
That's true.
Spider-Man 2? Okay.
Are his glasses back to
Do you have napkins or do you just use paper towels?
Overindulge.
What's that?
Napkins or paper towels?
Paper towels.
I mean, to be fair,
Look,
and that
You should be careful in using the RE.
It gets more and
Why?
It's dangerous.
The
It's 0
Chevrolet
days.
model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park.
That's
In the
402 for
opposite
you
direction
normies.
at 1637. Time that Sean
Back
White-
967.
Killer is white.
if you want
Oh,
no,
whoa.
there's a Wendy's
Whoa.
open till 1.
Wow, that really narrows it down.
It's Connor.
I mean,
He's probably employed, but his
I
girlfriend was in
won't
free
say
time.
it. Nah, because I got my food. But thank you
The
for
car
asking.
was stolen.
Oh,
Let's
car was
see.
stolen.
A certain
Okay.
Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it.
I
But the charges were dropped.
might order food for myself.
No,
later,
no,
though.
no, no.
Do you want to use mine, Michael?
What did this
We
happen?
figured out whose
Jackson Neville,
car it
aka
was.
Mad
Who
Jack,
car?
involved in several
car?
cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous.
I'm guessing this takes place in 2010 since that's when the original came out.
It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
It was, I don't know how it works.
That's fair.
You've done a fine.
I don't use iPhones.
I call
Oh,
it
that's
Dynamic
right, you
Island
don't have
bullshit,
an
what's up?
iPhone, That's right.
Although I'd like to mess around with one.
Oh my god, his head! Oh my god, his head!
They see his bald
Ethan
patch.
Morrison truly believes that he alone can save Sean. What if he's right?
Android gang, hell yeah, Carter.
I've got to get him out of here.
It's right
Yes,
there.
a good
Yeah, why
boy.
would you do that and not? Okay.
That's
It's
it.
in the corner.
Yeah, where do you
It's
have,
in the
where do you
corner.
just have?
Because I like the other one.
I tried to
You
get.
can have both.
No.
Guys, this is a dumb argument.
I don't
Yes,
know what
I
they're
can.
arguing about,
Righteousness.
but
Without being noticed.
That looks
Nerd.
so fucking stupid.
He's like limping, and blood is dripping off of his body.
And there's like name tag on the back that says, "Hello, my name is Ethan Mars."
which means good morning.
Have
for
you
those
heard of
Illinois
knocking
people.
before?
I brought some food. I didn't know what you liked, so I brought some
Missouri.
of everything. I hope that's okay.
You brought some of everything?
Bro.
Everything's in that bag?
Sorry for getting you arrested. This game's fucking terrible.
I know, I was gonna say her butt looks so weird.
Yeah! But so did the other rich guy.
That's true.
Origami.
It was safe behind here.
I sometimes have these blackouts.
What a twist.
Times where I don't know what I'm doing.
How does this man have a house and he never works?
As if I'm...
You're kinda right.
Gotta say, I kind of am leaning towards thinking he's the origami.
I think if I do have to say, I do say myself.
Michael really hates it when I talk like a white Southern woman.
Oh my god, it's my favorite
How
thing to
fucking
do.
No, to clarify, I hate that Beau says every single white Southern woman sounds like that, which is not true.
They do.
Literally,
oh,
it's
honey,
just
I'm
spaghetti.
gonna take
Spaghetti.
you to church this Sunday.
Oh,
We're
as
gonna
opposed to
do a
close to Southern, it's
Tupperware
hilarious.
exchange.
I agree.
Don't forget the green bean casserole, and don't have Carol's
With
mashed
extra
potatoes.
It's absolutely not true at all.
Oh, did you hear what
That's all
happened,
I'm saying.
Carol?
Yes.
What happened?
Her husband cheated on her
How bad?
with a man.
I mean, to be fair, you know they have these things called drag queens out there. Some of them
Oh, I
pretty
can't
in the
even
actual
imagine.
ladies.
Oh, honey, you're looking
Glad
at
we
a bit
paused
tired,
for
Cannon says, Beau, what's your Southern drag queen name?
Oh, Baptist bitch.
Mine is, that's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good.
I am not convinced you're gonna be able to top that. I'm sorry.
Mine is Anita Gunn.
Stop!
Oh my god!
You topped it.
The only thing that matters,
take
the
the
only thing that
headphones off
matters
for
is
that.
saving my son. I don't know if I've killed him or anything, but I keep having these blackouts and the police are after me. Honey, I gotta tell you. I was down on the old farmer's market yesterday. You know what they were selling me?
What were they
selling me
selling?
a dozen of eggs for $5.
Hold up, that's too goddamn expensive. I can get it for Frankie's down the road.
Thank the president for that.
And we know Frankie ain't been doing no weird things with his chicken.
Chickens better be
I am having trouble breathing correctly.
Yeah, all the time.
You know what they say, Dr. Oz got something for that.
Ooh, Dr. Oz, I love him.
I do
He's
too.
so charming.
You know who else is real
I
nice? That
know.
Judge Mathis on the table.
All I'm saying is, if he is the Wizard of
table.
Oz, he can make some stuff disappear. That's all I'm saying.
Serious.
I apologize, yeah.
Oh yeah, serious.
Forget everything that's happening. There is nothing more you can
Gotta
do.
go into trauma mode.
Are you prepared to kill someone to save your son?
Oh
my God.
I fucking love you guys.
Hi there, Manfred. Who is it?
If-
Scott.
Why does that look like the
Got children.
toughest guy to exist
You
yet?
remember me? Scott?
Yeah!
Of course.
This is Lauren. She's a friend. I'd like you to have a look at an envelope. I thought maybe you could tell me about the typewriter that was used to type the address on it.
Let's have a look.
Apparently enough where
You wanna know.
they
I
don't
did
want
light
the
a fire
ants
once,
to
but I had a
know.
magnifying glass, but I didn't kill anything.
I didn't kill anything.
Look at me, dude.
Bugs, but I'm not like horrified of them.
I am
usually.
terrified. I saw the biggest spider at work today, and I had a absolutely not. I'm not going over there.
One time I was in my bed and I pulled my covers up to get out and there was a cockroach.
Ew.
Here?
I've had that happen with
No.
scorpions.
It was at my parents' place. It was after like my bed had been in the garage for some.
Tried to kill herself.
No, this was the mother that we helped first.
Oh, the one that was at the.
You think the killer's been here?
If he has a 1920s typewriter, he may have needed Manfred's services to get it fixed.
That was Five's That's offensive.
Oh!
What the hell?
A lot more fun.
We just saw him
What
5
just
minutes
said?
ago, y'all.
That's
how death works.
The killer has already called the police. I think he wants to call
Okay.
the coach. We gotta get the hell out of
It's
here.
That's to be like the logical one again here. But aren't there gonna be prints on like everything?
Well,
Shot
and the
glass.
shot glasses especially, like.
Yeah.
You were in his shop.
So they still went and told him that happened, but they... Why click your prints if you said that you were in the shop?
Oh yeah, that's a running joke, dude. The Mr.
so
and Mrs.
funny.
whatever.
That's what
Excuse me, it's mixed now.
Wrong time, wrong
Oh.
place.
Yeah, I saw him spawn the door.
Oh, good. He's
wonder
friend
what
with
they're
the
$3.
Wait.
Okay.
Don't tell him anything.
Well,
I thought he was about to
So,
dance.
no, Noah had posted a small smile with some kittens, and I was like, oh my god, I want one, but John would literally die. And then John's like, it's adorable, and I'm like, don't play with my feelings.
Where are we going?
But like, apparently Frankie Muniz is driving for NASCAR now.
No way.
What?
Yeah.
Your partners, remember we had it.
I...
If you're not gonna help find the bastard to kill my Johnny, I'll do it on my own.
Alright.
To this old church.
Oh, shut up about your death. Everyone is so dramatic in this
I know,
game.
right? It's
Grow
just,
up.
It's just a child.
No! Fuck off!
Smack! Oh my god, his hand is huge!
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Jamie.
All I saw was pictures and people and underwear. I don't know what you do.
Am I killing this man, guys?
Kill
Yes!
Who are we killing?
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, hold on!
I don't know how.
Am I killing this man
Let me
or
shoot
not?
a shotgun 2 inches from your chest.
Guys, am I killing this man
No,
or not?
play
No!
Okay.
I don't think that's what his character would do. Daughter, you know.
So do I.
Well, no, you don't.
Okay,
You just have a picture of your kids in your like bathrobe.
I'm a father too.
Oh, I'm a
My name's
father,
Andrew.
too.
There you go.
No killer.
Why would you just leave a car? Oh, okay.
So this is the best I got.
I don't give a damn how the car got here, or whether you stole it or not. I just want to know who bought it from you.
Sorry, ma'am. Don't ring a bell.
Blood. Now why is there blood here? The blood tracks lead to the acid bath.
Why is there just an open acid bath? And I was about to say.
Really? That's surprising.
Orchid.
I'm a little hurt.
Same brand of tires the car I'm looking for.
Literally, like, I would much rather just drive the 4 hours to Charlotte that Friday
No doubt
night,
about it.
spend the night there because the concert's on Saturday, and commit.
Yo, speaking of big dick.
I'll come clean.
Oh, thank you.
Now that car, she buff up real good. I painted her
Dangerous, boy.
in honor of the dangerous motherfucker that was driving her.
Kick it!
Phoenix.
Oh.
Ow! Oh, broken
Oh,
hand.
not in the knuckles.
Broken hand.
Don't.
Yeah, you don't have to kill him.
Enough fucking around.
No, of course not.
You didn't have to kill the first guy either, but you know.
What you gonna do? You ain't got them killer eyes.
I actually killed someone like yesterday.
Did we kill the
I don't know
crazy
how
guy?
long. I don't know.
Oh no.
No, it had to have been like at least a couple of days because we're at what,
Probably.
3 inches
Don't mess
now?
with the gasoline.
I didn't have to kill her eyes.
About the guy.
Oh, it worked.
You need to get rid of his dirty car. Get him a new one with
I did it.
You pay cash. I ain't the question.
That was
Sorry.
so deep.
Good job, Jamie. You
Excuse
got
me.
him to talk.
That was me. I know.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm the one who deserves attention here. Please address me.
Oh,
No, I think
you
it's
did
Tristan.
so
Thank you.
good, babe.
Thank you.
Oh shit!
What? They letting you dope heads in the FBI?
They always have. Spoiler alert.
Oh,
God bless
no!
America.
Basically.
I'm rooting for him, honestly.
Oh, that's.
I mean, honestly, our best bet.
Woo! We got out. Oh shit! Oh,
What just happened?
Too late.
Oh! I ain't dead yet, motherfucker.
You might not have legs, but you don't mean
This
that.
is no. This is what I fucking mean. Run me over.
Literally with the tractor.
Ow.
Oh my god, you're right actually. Oh no.
Wow, it actually is Indiana Jones.
No, it's not. It's
The
Who Framed Roger
squelching.
Rabbit.
It's watching.
It's Who Framed Roger Rabbit.
Yeah, you're right.
It is! Yeah, you're right. Face the harsh realities
Wait.
of life. You know,
He
I
has a typewriter.
He wrote the letter.
Possibly. So I have a new coworker at work, right? And he's very nice. He's like,
What's that?
The notebook I took from Manfred's place.
You stole?
According to this, about 30 clients bought spare parts for Royal machines in the last 10 years. The killer may be one of them.
To figure out this case.
And with the list.
Little sus.
The list of subscribers to Origami magazine.
Okay.
Yeah, but Lord, wait.
Yeah,
Did we figure it out?
looks different from the like grad school.
so it's like, oh, you backspaced on this?
Make sure he's dead.
Yes.
No, it doesn't make any
Also,
sense.
there are some that like strike out.
Unless
as
the
well.
killer was only
Oh, that's
using
pretty
his
cool.
name.
Only
The
his
name
shoulders.
is John
back.
Shepard.
These flowers are fresh.
And there's
They don't say that anymore,
Looks
dude.
like someone still
You
tending
just say they're
the
cool.
Stupid, because I laughed at it.
origami figure.
Uh-oh.
They
It's
know.
one hell of a coincidence.
It was in 77.
Would he
Forgot
have been
about
allowed?
that.
He would have been allowed to in 77, but he would have gotten a lot of prejudice still.
flashback time.
Yeah, this
Flashback.
is a really. Oh, this part makes me cry. It's okay. We're good.
You got one.
Little Rain never hurt nobody. Come
Little
on,
Rain
let's go
never-
play.
Little Rain never hurt nobody.
Except for everyone that Oh.
Wait, do they just live there?
Yup.
Yeah.
It seems like.
Like,
Oh, that looks safe.
oh, heck no.
God.
That's awful.
You're like, Hey, not the
God, this kid is an asshole. I hope he dies.
This is about to be a
A
Beyond
future-
Two Souls.
This is
moment.
this is actually gonna make me cry because this looks like someone I took care of as a child.
Don't even know yet, Beau.
I'm.
Oh God.
Okay, it is slightly better than I thought. what was initially going
Not.
to happen, maybe, but I don't know. It's yet to be seen.
Those cries. That's John's voice. John! My foot. My foot is stuck. Grandma! I'll put it over there.
Oh no.
This is how a villain is created. So that's why it gets to me.
I mean, I'm a Gemini. That counts for sister.
The poor kid never did find any help.
So, question.
His brother
Never mind.
drowned.
I'll say this after this.
5 foot of rainwater.
The boy that lived. What happened to him?
Well,
He's fought
You don't
Voldemort.
fucking figure it out.
separated from his parents.
Yeah, but
I think he got adopted. Well, looks like a storm's coming.
It's been pouring for the last
better be getting
4 days. It's
Like,
well,
for a place that isn't fucking
storm's
Seattle.
coming.
Right.
4 days a lot? That
No.
doesn't seem like a lot.
No,
It's not-
3 inches of rain
it's-
in a day is a
no,
lot.
It's not.
Come on, let's get back in the car.
He needs help. Do
Which
not
man?
change the
Which
subject.
man? Which man?
It's Charles Kramer.
Gordy's father? What's he doing
He's got an umbrella man.
It's great.
That's the level of wealthy I aspire to be. Somebody drive.
Okay. I've seen part of this on.
Oh god. Okay.
It just
I think
looks
it was on
like that one
Facebook
Hitman
Live.
level.
Yes, my love. I gotta get up, bud. I have to pee.
But he's so
bad.
comfortable.
I know, but
I
I,
gotta
have to
sit
pee
up for this.
so.
So first we gotta go to the
Wait.
bathroom and make ourselves a hoe.
All right. Where's the bathroom?
Oh, I ain't get that far.
I'm just so offended.
He's big mad that Jamie got. He's going to get him.
Oh,
Okay.
his daddy.
Paco. I found
Oh, te amo, Paco.
You know where he is?
Quiero
Of course I
Paco
do.
Mendes.
Does he know you?
Oh, Paco.
Not yet, but I have to talk to him.
That's not possible.
His jacket,
Mr.
though.
Mendez is
He
outside
looks
to
like
be
a
disturbed.
dick.
Tristan?
Bring in the boy.
The boy.
Actually adorable.
Boy,
He looks
The what?
terrifying.
he hates being carried.
No shit.
Sexy and a kind of dumb.
Oh,
Can you
there
see
it is. Tits up, skirts low. I don't know. Or would it be high?
That's the way we like to go. Oh,
Holy
okay.
shit!
Now that'll
I
make
didn't know
it.
we was packing.
God. Question: do we still have any idea what she's
Nope.
doing? Her
And
relevance
why
to the
she's
plot?
doing it? Like, she
Dance.
didn't get a heel stuck
Press
in
X
the
to
goddamn
dance.
thing.
Why are your feet
Oh,
like
dude.
that?
Yes.
Okay, if you don't have the
It's
equipment,
Technic-U, actually.
but it helps if you have.
Look
the
at this man's face.
It's your lucky day, sweetheart. The
Aww.
boss wants to invite you to his table.
As like the way you move,
I like the
Madison.
Maybe we can continue this conversation somewhere more private.
Oh, cool, baby.
Sure.
Yeah, sex.
So, welcome to my little.
That's quite.
That's actually kind of a nice room.
Says
Motherfucker's
hard.
got a fish tank
Hold
on
on.
him.
Let's hear him out. He's got tropical fish in there. You know how expensive it is to keep tropical fish?
You
Half
know,
of it
you
is
know,
the
Alvin's
spot.
cheated on some bitches.
I absolutely, yeah, actually, never mind. That's facts.
Another time.
He has a lamp that matches his jacket. What?
Well,
Ooh, look at the
Isn't
little
this
butt I
exciting?
don't have.
sweet.
Smack! There you go. Checks out. He would have that.
Two. Let's hear Loverboy sing. If you call out, I'll kill you.
Because that's how she came into the room, so she leaves looking the same.
What you want?
Both. Just both.
Wait, I'm sorry. He's supposed to be.
I am busy.
Proof they can fake.
Just
get it.
Man sounds like a cholo. Why? He's so white. There you go.
That's all I know, I swear it.
Oh, man. 423. What's up?
I'm counting the girls in the
It is
same
11
dress.
o'clock.
Meanwhile,
Hey,
how convenient.
30, but I'm probably not leaving till like 10.
Paco.
Taco Taco?
There ain't no Paco here, fella.
It's fine. I worked like only 10 and a half hours today, and then I worked.
Oh, you're FBI? Yeah, I'm 100%
Oh,
certain.
that Paco.
Next time we're probably gonna wrap this up.
Yeah, next. I'm confident next episode will be the last episode for Heavy Rain.